Yep.
So, well, what you got? Let's
So
get some hot ones going.
got a list of questions.
Okay.
Submitted through email, submitted through direct messages on Instagram.
Okay.
Let me see here. What is the best one to start with? Here's one. Why did you create this app?
That's a good one. So I'm gonna have to kind of dance around the answer because I don't want to get sued, and I will say that the starting point of the app was because of a particular company that advises you on your home.
Yeah.
And after getting screwed over quite a bit, I decided, there's really nothing for contractors that's designed by contractors, and because contractors keep getting screwed over, like something's got to change. And so I kind of synthesized the whole experience and took all the negative attributes out of that experience and framed this whole network around like being an open platform. It's free to sign up. There's no monthly fees. There's no costs. And essentially the app, if you do handyman work, the app does like 99% of what the office duties are. So you literally just have to show up with the tools, swing the hammer, and then you're on the road to the next one. But being in the field myself, I really had a lot of time to kind of refine the process. So every in and out of the app is designed around our business, specifically, and it's not like this goober together thing that just works to collect money from people. So
yeah. Now, I've been involved on the receiving end of many sales calls from, I think that what you're referring to, and a lot of people aren't happy with what's out there.
Yeah.
And, the main thing that drew me to this app, like you were saying, is no contracts, no monthly fees.
Yeah.
And that is the biggest complaint that I get, in the comments, in the emails, and it's my personal biggest complaint is they lock you in. They lock you in, and a lot of times they don't want to let you go.
Right. Yeah, I mean that's kind of like the business model, right? Like everybody's looking to capitalize on the money amount, and with those other opportunities, right? They add extra fees to the customer, so the customer gets screwed, and then they add extra fees to the contractor, and the contractor gets screwed. So really, it's the people in the middle who are taking most of the transaction, but they make it incredibly difficult for you to get out of that scenario, and it's all by design so that they can run up your lead count, and they can take full advantage of your payment account. And one of the things that I really want to make clear about the Handiwerx app is that if you do sign up and enroll, we do not have access to your payment account. So we cannot take money from your account. We can only send it to you.
And that was going to kind of lead into my next question of what is the risk